Up next, the Bend Fire Department goes international. The department recently hosted 2 German firefighters for a week of training and an exchange of important ideas.
And they're here on a working vacation. They've come over to learn what they can from the United States firefighters, specifically with the aspect of wildland firefighting and urban interface firefighting. They're leaders in their area in that type of fire operation.
Yeah, we're both firefighters. My city department is Salzgitter in northern Germany. I work as a lieutenant paramedic there. And Jürgen is from Marburg Volunteer Fire Department. It's a rural fire district near Frankfurt area.
We've actually had an exchange program with our fire department where a couple of our firefighters have exchanged with Australian firefighters several years ago. Most people would assume that these firefighters are here just to learn from us. However, I've found learning from these gentlemen that they use quite a few computer programs overseas that are very similar to our command programs in the United States. However, they're just more technologically advanced.
Yeah, it's kind of, firefighting all over the world. It's kind of a unique thing. You go out, fight fires, help people, do EMS, and more or less the protocols are different. But being here, we discovered that the firefighters all over the world are a big family.
However, we find that there's a certain bond and a certain relationship with all firefighters.
Doing the same thing with different equipment, different techniques, but all overall it's the same job, and it's interesting to see the different operation procedures and how other people do stuff.
One thing that I find is that the fire apparatus is different around the world, and it's usually based on the type of road system and street system that they operate in. And we find that the European apparatus is very small and compact, and their ladder trucks are very compact compared to United States ladder trucks, which are much larger and carry a lot more equipment.
Here is a special kind of equipment. It's totally different than in Germany because we just have sole ladder truck. It has a ladder, a little generator, that's it. And this piece is stuffed with all the equipment, and the capabilities are, I would say, double than our normal ladder truck.
And the reasoning the European fire apparatus is smaller is because the road system is designed for smaller vehicles. It's been there for centuries and centuries, and much of our infrastructure in the United States is fairly new in comparison to European infrastructure.
Our main contact to Bend came in April when we were here with the Bureau of Land Management for some burning training, which was set up between the 2 agencies, our wildland crew and the BLM. And we got in contact with Chief Kollermeyer from the Bend Fire Department. He set up with 2 days for riding along, and then we decided to come back to get a more in-depth vision of the Bend Fire Department, and that's why we're here.